Every minute, nearly 30 Indians move to a city. They leave behind green fields and open skies for glass towers and crowded trains. Why? Because cities promise something powerful: opportunity. Welcome to the age of urbanization, where the heartbeat of the nation now echoes in its cities. Urbanization means the growth of towns and cities, both in size and population. It happens when people migrate from rural areas to urban ones, and when villages themselves develop into towns. It's not just about tall buildings. It's about how societies evolve, how roads, schools, hospitals, and industries cluster to create modern living. Urbanization doesn't happen by chance. It's driven by economic growth, population pressure, and social change. Let's look at the key causes. Cities are centers of employment. Industries, offices, and service sectors attract people seeking stable income. From the cotton mills of Mumbai to the IT parks of Bengaluru, opportunity pulls millions. Urban areas offer better schools, hospitals, and lifestyles. Parents migrate so children can study. Young people move for independence, entertainment, and modern living. Industrialization and urbanization are twins. When factories rise, so do neighborhoods, roads, and railways. Jobs multiply, transport improves, and cities expand outward. Capitals and regional headquarters attract population. Government offices, defense bases, and trade centers grow into large urban clusters, like Delhi, Chennai, and Hyderabad. Sometimes geography gives cities an advantage. Coastal ports, river junctions, and fertile plains help settlements thrive. Like Kolkata by the Hooghly or Mumbai by the Arabian Sea, urbanization usually unfolds in 3 stages. One initial stage, a market town or administrative post begins to grow. 2, expansion stage, industries, roads, and services multiply. 3, metropolitan stage, smaller towns merge, forming vast urban agglomerations or megacities. When India gained independence in 1947, only 17% of its people lived in cities. Today, it's around 36% and rising rapidly. Post-independence industrialization, education, and better healthcare triggered this shift. By 2035, India is expected to have 7 megacities, each with over 10 million residents. Urbanization is global. Developed nations became urban long ago. Developing nations are catching up fast. Japan, over 90% urban. USA, about 83%. India, still around 1/3 but growing. The pattern is clear. Economic growth leads to city growth. When planned properly, urbanization brings progress. Cities generate wealth through industry, trade, and services. Access to quality schools and hospitals improves living standards. Cities unite ideas, art, and science. They're centers of creativity, from Bollywood to Bengaluru's startups. Better roads, power, and internet make cities engines of change. But when growth outruns planning, cities struggle. Millions migrate faster than homes can be built. Slums appear, like Dharavi in Mumbai, where thousands share narrow lanes. Not everyone finds the dream job. Many end up in informal work, daily wage labor, street vending, gig jobs. Vehicles, industries, and waste choke air and water. Cities like Delhi battle smog. Rivers like Yamuna turn black. Lanes built for 10,000 vehicles now carry 1 million. Fast life brings loneliness, competition, and inequality. Mumbai embodies the promise and pressure of urbanization. Once a cluster of fishing villages, it grew into India's financial capital. Its port attracted traders. Its mills drew workers. Now its film studios and offices call dreamers from every corner. Yet, beneath its skyline lie the struggles of housing, flooding, and congestion. Mumbai is India's urban story, dazzling and difficult, both at once. To ease pressure, planners build satellite cities, smaller hubs around big metros. Noida and Gurugram serve Delhi. Navi Mumbai supports Mumbai. India's Smart Cities mission uses digital technology for better water, traffic, and waste management, blending innovation with sustainability. The future of cities must be green. Smart growth means designing compact, efficient, and eco-friendly spaces. Rooftop solar panels, electric vehicles, green parks, and waste segregation are not luxuries. They're necessities. Sustainability ensures cities remain livable for generations. Cities are magnets not only for jobs but also for cultures. When millions arrive from different corners, they bring their languages, cuisines, and traditions. Urbanization builds melting pots where diversity thrives. Delhi's parathas meet Tamil idlis. Eid lights shine beside Diwali lamps. But this fusion also tests patience. Too fast a pace can weaken family bonds and social ties. City life often replaces community unity with individual independence. Urbanization changes not just where we live, but how we live, think, and interact. Modern cities never sleep, but neither do their people. Stress, competition, and time pressure define urban rhythm. Yet, cities also inspire creativity and ambition. For millions, the crowd is chaos. For others, it's motivation. Urbanization is the test of human balance between speed and stillness. Unplanned urban growth leads to chaos. That's why urban planning is vital. Designing roads, housing, transport, drainage, and green spaces before the crisis begins. A well-planned city reduces traffic, conserves water, and creates affordable housing. Cities like Chandigarh and Singapore are examples of planned perfection, proof that foresight builds harmony. The Indian government has launched many missions to manage urban growth. Smart Cities Mission, 2015, making 100 cities efficient, digital, and sustainable. AMRUT, improving water supply, sewage, and urban greenery. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, keeping streets and public spaces clean. PM Awas Yojana, ensuring affordable housing for all. These aren't just policies, they're blueprints for a humane modern India. Across the world, urbanization is transforming economies. Asia leads with megacities like Tokyo, Shanghai, and Mumbai. Africa's Lagos and Nairobi grow fastest, powered by youth. Europe now focuses on sustainable redesign, bicycle lanes, recycling, and heritage preservation. North America blends technology with comfort, smart homes, AI traffic systems. Urbanization has no single face. Each region builds cities in its own rhythm. Every skyscraper casts a shadow, not just on the ground, but on nature. Cities consume 75% of global energy and produce most of its waste. Deforestation, water depletion, and climate change are rising side effects. The solution lies in eco-cities, planting green belts, using renewable energy, recycling waste, and designing energy-efficient buildings. Urbanization must coexist with the planet, not compete with it. The National Capital Region, Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, Faridabad, shows both the triumph and tension of urbanization. It houses over 30 million people and contributes a quarter of North India's economy. The metro links distant towns. IT parks rise where wheat once grew, yet air pollution, traffic jams, and waste mountains threaten its sustainability. NCR is India's laboratory for the future. Can megacities grow without choking themselves? By 2040, half of all Indians will live in cities. Urbanization will decide India's destiny. To succeed, we must blend technology with empathy, smart data with green design, and speed with social justice. Cities must serve not just the rich, but everyone: the vendor, the cleaner, the coder, and the commuter. The future Indian city must be inclusive, innovative, and sustainable. Let's recap the heart of this chapter. 1. Urbanization means growth of cities in number and population. 2. It occurs due to economic, social, technological, political, and natural causes. 3. India's urban population has risen from 17% in 1951 to over 36% today. 4 advantages: better jobs, education, healthcare, culture, and innovation. 5 problems: overcrowding, pollution, housing shortage, unemployment, and stress. 6 government programs: smart cities, AMRUT, Swachh Bharat, PM Awas Yojana, aim for sustainable growth. 7. The future depends on planned, green, inclusive cities. Urbanization is not a threat. It's transformation. It shows humanity's progress, our capacity to build, adapt, and dream together. But progress without planning becomes pollution. Ambition without empathy becomes inequality. The true city of the future will not be made only of glass and steel. It will be built from awareness, compassion, and sustainability. Because a city's greatness isn't measured by its skyline, but by the quality of life it offers every citizen. This was Urbanisation, Chapter 4 of Icse Class 8 Geography, presented by Bodhanest. Subscribe to continue your geography journey, where every lesson turns learning into understanding and understanding into wisdom.